Are you interested in getting into competitive programming but don't know which language to choose? The best language for competitive programming depends on the platform you're using and the type of problem you're trying to solve. Some popular languages for competitive programming include C++, Java, and Python. C++ is known for its speed and efficiency, making it a great choice for competitive programming on platforms like CodeForces and TopCoder. Java is also a good choice for competitive programming, as it is widely used and has a large community of developers. Python is a great choice for competitive programming because of its simplicity and readability. However, it's important to note that the choice of language is not as important as your understanding of algorithms and data structures. It's more important to be proficient in a few languages rather than being a beginner in many languages. It's also a good idea to practice solving problems in different languages, as this will help you become more versatile and adaptable. Ultimately, the best language for competitive programming is the one that you are most comfortable with and that allows you to solve problems efficiently. So, choose a language and start practicing.